Hello class, and welcome to our lesson on time. So today our goal will be to learn about time, and more importantly, telling the time to the nearest minute. So when we say something like 10:31 or 10:32, from there we're going to use addition and subtraction to figure out how much time is going to take place in between. So let's begin by going over how we tell time. So if the clock says 10 a.m. and we want to know how much time will pass before it is 10:30 a.m., all we have to do is subtract 10:30 from 10, and then we end up with 30. So we know that the distance between 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. is 30 minutes. So now that we have a basic understanding of how time works, let's get into a little bit harder of a problem. So imagine it's 2:45 and we want to know how much time will pass till it's 3:15. So unlike the last problem, we can't just subtract, right? So let's add instead. So first we'll add. We know that adding 15 minutes to 2:45 will make it 3 o'clock. And then we know that if we add another 15 minutes, that'll be 3:15. So again, we know that the time from 2:45 to 3:15 will be another 30 minutes. So now we've gone over adding and subtracting time, and now we need to learn about AM and PM. So AM stands for anti-meridian, which means before day, and PM stands for post-meridian, which means post-midday. So all that means is that if you're looking at AM, that's going to be before midday for a 12-hour period, and then PM means after midday for a 12-hour period. So if you take those two 12-hour periods and add them up, you get your 24-hour day. So if it's 1 a.m., you would be asleep in bed, and if it's 1 p.m., you would be at school getting ready to go home. So now that we have an idea of what AM and PM are, I'm going to give you guys a question that I want you to have answered when you come in on Monday. So how long is it from 10 a.m. to 10:30 p.m.? How much time is there in between those two numbers? Okay? I'll see you guys on Monday.